Being part of the Cobotics Centre has given me opportunities I wouldn't otherwise have had, such as the chance to engage in long-term collaborative research with people from different academic disciplines and with industry partners who have been there for the whole life of the centre and helped us evolve and redefine our research and what we need to tackle in the future. So my own work is interdisciplinary. It crosses the boundaries of management, education and public policy. But in the Cobotics Centre, I've had the chance to work with people from completely different disciplines such as engineering and find out the way that their frames of references, their methodological approaches, even some of their theories can inform and enhance my research. I've really enjoyed my time with the Cobotics Centre and I hope that I'll get to continue to do similar types of research into the future. It's given me so many ideas for what still needs to be done in relation to improving the visibility of manufacturing careers and their desirability, particularly for younger workers. I think there's a lot that is still to be done on evolving and new technologies in manufacturing that can also have applications in other sectors as well.